So guys, we're gonna do a assassin giveaway. So first I'm gonna show you my inventory. So hold on, let it load in for a second. So like I said, I was doing a giveaway on Murder Mystery, I believe, and then I spin the wheel and put everyone's name up. So one of the winner is Kiyomi and Leaf Chloe T for the giveaway. So I added Kiyomi, but I don't know Chloe T's. So Chloe, if you're watching this, then come at me. I'm just gonna show you my inventory real quick. I don't really play Assassin that much. So yeah, this inventory. I'm not that good at this game, like at throwing knives and stuff, like playing. All that kind of stuff. I guess I can throw. Probably gonna ask me to trade. I can't trade right now. Sorry. Hit him twice. It's probably too loud. You guys probably can't hear me, so that's why my microphone all the way up to me. Probably gonna do a live stream if it doesn't lag, then I probably will do a live stream. Like the last one I had wasn't laggy, so but that was on my Mac. But if it's not laggy on the Windows, then probably will do one. But hold on. I'm gonna get me a fidget spinner. I think that's so old now, I don't even think people use them anymore. Hopefully they, so, and then I need a couple thousand Robux to change my name, so I'm probably gonna change it. I can even think of a name, but. And then these are my antlers. A lot of people use antlers now, since they came back on sale. Everyone's been using them. I still gotta log into my Fortnite account. There's usually just my outfit for now until the clockwork headphones come out. It's probably not gonna look as like that good. I'm guessing probably not, but it's fine. But I don't know if this is gonna show up on the video. If it does, then I might have to edit that out. I haven't really been playing Assassin But if I do a live stream, I'll just have people vote what games I play in the live stream. So. Oh, dude, this guy's in my face. That's weird. Is he following me? If you guys haven't seen my intro song, go see it. Or if you want, it depends. Doesn't matter who does it, don't. I'm only using Corrupted Axe because it's a big knife and it's a big hit rate to like hit people. It's more of a chance of hitting them. Okay. Get hit from the side. Yeah, so I'm gonna do an assassin giveaway and then now I'm gonna spin another wheel. But I'm probably just gonna put the same people because I'm not getting as much people to comment. So the giveaway, I'm probably gonna do a giveaway like it ended. So yeah, so the giveaway already ended for the murder mystery because I know a lot of people aren't gonna comment on this. So, but if more people comment, then I'll do another murder mystery giveaway. But I'm probably gonna put Keone back on because she plays murder mystery and I wanna help her at it. Pretty much, I wanna help her like get stuff because I know that she's a starter. She joined like 2018, pretty sure. Yeah, so she joined a couple months ago, and then she's like a starter. So I'm just gonna give her some godlies to help her out in the future to get more things. That's the thing I'm just gonna do. Shoot. What? Did she really just fall? Come on, why is everything that? Oh. The same guy keeps on killing me. So I'm probably gonna end the video right here, YouTube. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, and then follow me on Roblox. And peace out and goodbye.